Hey guys, what's up? It's Eric with Advanced Level Automotive. I wanted to make another quick video about a BMW. Check it out, we're actually finally getting around to rebuilding the offices in the waiting room after we got hit pretty hard during Hurricane Harvey. We had about 2 feet of water, and you know, we didn't really get any help from any organizations or the management company here. They refused to help me out. You know, I had mold festering in here from the sheetrock being real bad, so ended up having to just fork out the money myself to get the sheetrock repaired and have the offices fixed. And I lost a bunch of stuff during the hurricane, but hey, you know what? We're back. It's 2018, and you know, we're not going to let that bring us down. Anyways, I wanted to show you a quick tip for anyone who's got a BMW, and really not this one in particular. I just wanted to share this with you because I've had it with other cars that I've seen before. Anyways, if you have a BMW, like this one is a 2007 328i, but you got this 3-liter motor, inline 6-cylinder, and the belt comes off or it shreds. You have a problem where the belt breaks, and I'm referring to the serpentine belt here. What I've seen that can happen, and I've seen this multiple times, and it's really strange because you don't really see this in any other vehicle, but when that serpentine belt shreds or comes apart, it can actually get sucked in through the crank seal behind the crank pulley. I guess it wraps itself around the crank pulley and the crankshaft and gets sucked in through the crank seal, and then it wraps itself around the timing chain, and that can throw your timing off. So as weird as that sounds, if you have a problem where your belt came apart, you know, that happens usually because either this oil filter housing is leaking oil, or you have some type of oil leak that's getting oil all over the belt, and then the belt deteriorates or it slips off, it comes off. Like I said, the belt shreds, and then pieces of it get wrapped around the crankshaft, and it gets sucked in through the crank seal, wraps around the timing chain, and then it throws your timing off. So if you have this problem where, you know, your belt came apart, and after that you had drivability problems, maybe your car's running really rough or your car became a no start, it could be because your timing is off. And one of the easiest ways to check is to just remove the belt, remove the bolts on the pulley for the crankshaft, and then look behind it and look to see if you see any pieces of belt that are wrapped around the crank. About 90% of the time that this happens, you can pretty much solve the problem by you know, removing the covers and just resetting the timing using the factory BMW timing tools to align the camshafts, and then just reset the timing, and you're good to go. I mean, it's possible that you could have engine damage if the timing gets thrown off bad enough. You may have valve to piston contact, which, you know, can become a little more of a costly fix. But anyways, just wanted to share that with you guys. If you have a BMW, like I said, where the belt comes apart, it can get sucked up in through the crank seal and then cause the timing to jump when it wraps itself around the timing chain. Also, pieces of the belt can wind up inside the oil pan, and they get sucked up through the suction tube, and can clog up the suction tube, cause oil pressure issues. So that's that. I just wanted to make that video to let you guys know. Anyways, guys, if you found the video useful, please like the video. If you like the channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can always comment down below, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks.